Hey guys, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I thought I would take you along with me again. I wasn't planning on it, but I'm here at my mom and dad's feeding their cat, and I had to do a voiceover for a video that I did this weekend that I hadn't gotten around to doing the narrating for. And then I need to post that video, and I wanted to run to Tuesday morning and look at what they have on offer, and then we will see if we get into anything else that's interesting, because I know you guys liked the vlogs, or some of you did, but I honestly don't do anything interesting, so every day would be super boring. So now I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what happens today. I just pulled in to upload my video. I can't upload my videos at home because my internet is too slow. It takes forever. I have tried. If I leave it overnight, then sometimes it works, but if it's above like a 10-minute video, it won't work. So this actually works pretty well. But I wanted to tell you guys, when I was driving over here, oh my God, it was the best. So I was at the stoplight and there was a car behind me, and this guy, I don't know what made me look in my rearview mirror, but this guy was feeling it. I could see him like lip sync into the song and like tapping the steering wheel, and I was like, yeah, right on, man. He's feeling today. He is attacking the day. And then all of a sudden he's like dancing. Oh, woo! And all of a sudden he's like, oh. And dude was feeling it. And I was like, this is amazing. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And then I went around the curve, and there's a stoplight. And so he pulled up next to me. He was in a black Camry. And I was like, I gotta let this guy know how freaking awesome he is. So I looked over and I was like, nice moves. And he goes, yeah. Total strangers, but I think we both made each other's day. So I'm taking that as a good omen. Yeah. Okay guys, it's going good. I just got my video uploaded and now I'm at Tuesday morning, and I wanted to tell you what I was looking for so that we could compare what I actually come out with, if anything, to what I actually wanted. I know I just did my flip of my pocket, and I love those papers, you know I do, but now I'm kind of dying for a seasonal setup, something Christmas. I know, it's not even Thanksgiving, it's not even Halloween, and I'm dying for the Christmas. But I have partially to blame the die cuts on Shine Sticker Studio, because I was just looking at them and they're so cute. You guys, I cannot spend any more money. Like, my standards of what is okay to spend on things like that are just going up and up and up and up, and it's worrying me. So anyway, but I want cute holiday. I don't want classy holiday, I want cute holiday. So something that would go with those cute die cuts, or the die cuts that I already have, and like fun plannery things. So that's really kind of hard to find. It's either like very like child, which I guess so is everything that I like, but I don't know. We'll just see. We'll see. Cute holiday is what I'm looking for. Oh my God, it's freaking freezing. What is this? Cozy Christmas. Well, that's cute. That it does seem cozy. Ooh, this is cute. This is more like winter themed. Then I wouldn't have to redo it after Christmas. Oh, this is cute. I think I used this last year in my Christmas scrapbook thing that I made. Merry Days. Oh, this is cute. Oh goodness, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? This is what I was talking about, these sticker kits, you guys. They've got the holiday one. And they've got, ooh, this looks like a fun one. It's cute, but it's not as cutesy as I wanted. I guess cutesy is the word I'm looking for. Because you know how my traveler's notebook is. It's ridiculous. And I want it to stay ridiculous. Oh, God. Oh, jeez Louise. Well, I'm home now. So goes my life. I am putting in a load of laundry, and I thought I would talk to you guys. I filmed for like 20 minutes in Tuesday morning and still didn't know what I wanted. I ended up getting a little, the little kit, not the Pebbles one, because I had the Pebbles one last year and I didn't feel like using it again, even though it was really cute. I'm sure you guys think I only own one piece of clothing, this sweatshirt. I own multiple pieces of clothing. I just wear this sweatshirt. Oh, okay. And then I want to take you guys downstairs and show you what I got from Shine Sticker Studio as far as my monthly kits, because I raided the clearance section and got all this last year's monthly Erin Condren kits, like for the monthly layouts, so that I could decorate my A5 Hobonichi monthly layouts using those stickers. And they're super cute. But I'm having a crisis because I want to decorate it all right now, because that's just how I operate. So I need you guys to tell me if I should do like, I'm still waiting on December. December shipped separately, so that's not here yet. But I could like set up January. We could set up January together, and so you guys can see what it's like. And then I can make a video doing that. And then I guess my real question was, I know I showed you how I'm setting up, how I plan to use my A5. Do you want me to film me actually doing the setups, the layouts and stuff, or just do it all and show it to you another time when it's all finished? You tell me what you think, because I don't know if you find that boring to watch me figure out how to set it up and fill it out, or if you like that, because I like that kind of weird. I'm just weird. So you tell me, and I shall do what you would like. Let's start the laundry. Oh. Trick-or-treating is gonna be so cold. So cold.
Daddy? Are you barfing? I thought I heard the telltale ooh, ooh, but no.
I think it was Skinny playing with my boot. Okay, I'm back. Down to the nitty-gritty, y'all. I don't know, you guys. I like both of these, but I'm not dying over them. This little hot cocoa one is super cute. How cute is that? So I don't know. I guess I'm still undecided. I guess it all hinges on whether I'm gonna get those die cuts or not. I need to make that decision. I was at Michael's yesterday returning something and I saw, you know how I've been complaining about how I have no purple washi. I got 2 purple washies. They were in the 3 for $1 bin. So I got these 2. These were all in the 3 for $1 bin. And then I ended up getting these 2. I thought the solid colors and these bright ones might be good to work with more of my kits that I have. Rather than, it's really hard to match like a floral washi to a kit. But these bright colors, maybe I can use in some of my kits to spread them out and make them last a little bit. But I'm very excited to have an actual purple. So I consider that a win. Here is my monthly haul from Shine Sticker Studio. Now, I usually don't go this wild, but the only reason that I did was because these were all clearance. So they were half off or more than half off. So like $1.50 per sheet, I want to say. So each month I got the header washi and whatever the decorative boxes were, because I thought that I could use the decorative boxes also in my weekly if they didn't fit in my monthly. So if you're unawares of what I've been doing, where have you been? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, didn't do it in this version. Did it in my second half. I wanted to see what it would look like if I used a monthly EC kit to decorate my month in my A5. And spoiler alert,
It's cute as fuck.
so I went ahead and got the rest of the months that were on clearance. The only one that wasn't on clearance was December, and that's because it isn't December yet, so it was full price. But all the way up to November was because it must be last year's versions or something. I don't know. Or maybe it was, maybe I just got the first 6 months. That's what I did. I think I got the first 6 months and then I was like, I'll wait to see what she does next year and see if I want that for the second half of the year, you know. So here is, let's start with January. This January kit is so flippin' cute. Look at that. Look at that cuteness. I mean, Star on the sled going down and Luna with the snowman, and then look at the decorative boxes. They're drinking cocoa, and I love the birch trees. And then let's see, February. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then look at that. And then I'll have all these. What I really wanted was the washi and the decorative, but then I can use the rest of these in my monthlies. I can use them. And then there's all these icons, which I can use as well. And then they also give you the like holidays, which is kind of cool. So there's February. March is so cute. I have said cute so much in this video, you probably want to murder me. Leprechaun, she's a little pot of gold. Oh my god. And then rainbows, and it's too much. I can't handle it. April, it's like spring, rainbows, and like umbrellas. Hello spring. I thought that was really adorable. May is this fairy kit. This admittedly isn't my favorite one because it's not Star and Luna. It's like different characters. Star and these are really cute fairies, but Star and Luna are my favorite. So if she does a May next year that I like more, I might buy that one. But this is cute. It is cute. I don't know. May, and then June, which was Luna at the beach. I really liked the July, which was Luna at the pool, and I wanted to get that one too. But I was like, just wait, Emily. 6 months is fine. You can do 6 months at a time. I might regret it next year that I didn't get it, but that's for later Emily to deal with. So I thought these were really cute, and the fact that they were on clearance was a score. I enjoyed that thoroughly. So my question to you guys was that I posed upstairs at the washing machine was, do you guys want to see me decorate my monthlies like with my sticker kits, or would that get boring? Should I do it all now in like one video, or do them all in separate videos, or wait until next year and do it as the month happens? I'm gonna tell you right now, that's gonna be really hard for me to do, to not decorate them in advance. So I'll just throw that out there. It will be difficult for me, but if that's what you want, I can probably try and hold my horses. But this is so cute. I cannot wait to put these stickers in this. Oh, well. Okay. And then also, did you want to see me set up my habit trackers, my sheets that I'm planning on doing, my spreads in the back? All right, now I am going to catch up on some journaling and eat some lunch and go get the kids from school in a couple hours. And then it will be family time and trick or treat and all that fun stuff. So this was a fun day. I love having you guys along, and I thought since I was gonna go shopping today, it would be fun to show you. And I really wanted your input on this kind of stuff. And trust me, if I do redecorate this, I will show you, just like I did last time with that sticker kit. But alas, I thought I had come to some sort of decision, but I have not. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. This was super fun, and we'll do it again soon. Bye.